Amazing. Overall experience was very nice with huge rooms and good staff. Okay. Spacious and hygienic stay. The rooms are very spacious. Booked from Agoda. Got a special discounted price for one night stay. The food is good from the in-house kitchen. Exceptional. All good. Exceptional. Good. Most well-maintained and spacious hotel I might have stayed in. Most well-maintained and spacious hotel I might have stayed in, and I travel a lot. Nice hotel. Great rooms and facilities. Exceptional. Clean, hygienic, good staff, great location, overall good experience. Review. Very good stay, but cleanliness can be maintained in a better way. Good classic rooms. I had booked a 172 square feet classic room with large bed but was given a smaller room 144 sqt. Foot. Pros: good hygienic room, lights and AC were working. Bathroom was clean. Room service was fast. Cons: bathroom door lock was broken, basin tap was not working. Nice stay. Value for money. Good to stay. I found this place has good location to stay. Best value. Okay, good. Awesome. Should allow outside food.